Hello everyone, welcome here. Today you are learning a great update from ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT is an open AI tool and you are going to learn how to protect your queries from the public. So ChatGPT is also offering a great opportunity you to control your privacy. Chat history, how to protect yourself. Let's see a wonderful option. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support us. I'm just opening ChatGPT here, and here to protecting ChatGPT like a privacy, like what you are asking ChatGPT like a conversation. Let's see. There is a three dots of menu here. It is there. You just simply click here, clear conversations. This is an option. When you click here, simply what the conversation here it is there, automatically it will be like a confirm clear conversation. A question will be asked you to perform your action according to your confirmation. It will be clear. That is the one thing. And one more thing is you go for settings. And here data controls. There is an option called data controls. Let's see. Simply click the data like controls. It's like a chart history and training. So it is enabled in my computer system. If you don't want to save this chart history, you need to simply like switch on, like it's already on, switch off this option simply by clicking toggle. It's also say that it's a toggle option, switch off to on and off. See, save new chart to your history and allow them to be used, improve ChatGPT via model training in future developments. And unsaved charts will be deleted from our system within 30 days. They are saying very clearly. It's an update latest which is given from OpenAI team. And also if you want to export your data chart history you just simply click here to export your data. And similarly, if you want to make like if you are making and you don't want to like a chart history to be unsaved, just uncheck and click this button. Now see here, chart history is half, means charts won't be saved in your history, or this like a used training our model to improve ChatGPT. So unsaved charts will be deleted from the system within 30 days. So strongly remember, if you don't want to like save your chart history into ChatGPT area in their server, you just simply disable. And if you want to, it's okay, and you are making a research to continue with this, save this chart history. If you want to save this, just enable this button to like enable chart history to save your like conversations what you have done with ChatGPT. I hope this video lecture will help you to make your privacy more protecting things. If you feel yes, please do subscribe and support us. Thank you.